For the circuit in figure, obtain the Thevenin equivalent at terminals AB. We have to find the Thevenin equivalent for this circuit. So we have to find RTh and VTh. Solution. This is for A. So to find RTh, we will turn off all the independent sources. This is a current source, so this will be open circuited. This is also a current source, so this will be open circuited. This is a voltage source, so this will be short circuited. And here this will be our RTh. Now RTh is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 4 plus 2. So this is equal to 10, 12. So 12 ohm is the value of RTh. Next we have to find VTh. So to find VTh, here this will be our VTh between terminal A and B. This will be VTh. This will be positive and this will be negative. Now to find VTh, we will convert this current source into its equivalent voltage source. So here this will be a voltage source, this will be positive and this will be negative. Now V is equal to I into R. V is equal to I into R. I is 4 and R is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 volt. Now next is, we will convert this current source into its equivalent voltage source. So here this will be a voltage source. This will be positive and this will be negative. Again 2 into 6 is 12 volt. Now here we can apply KVL to find the value of VTh. Apply KVL to the loop. This is current, let's say this is current I. Let's say this is I. Now we will start from here. So this will be minus 20, then minus 8, then this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So plus 2I, then plus 4I, then minus 12, then this will be positive and this will be negative. So plus 6I, then plus VTh is equal to 0. Now here we can see this is open circuited, so this I is equal to 0. Since I is equal to 0, so this will be directly minus 20, minus 8, and this will be 0, 0, then minus 12, then it is minus 40. So this will be VTh minus 40 is equal to 0. So therefore VTh is equal to 40 volt. Minus 20, minus 8, then minus 12. So this will be 40 volt. Now we have the value of VTh and RTh. We have to find, for the circuit in figure, obtain the Thevenin equivalent at terminals AB. So Thevenin equivalent will be RTh in series with VTh. So this is our RTh and this will be VTh, positive, negative. This will be VTh and this is RTh. VTh is equal to RTH is equal to 12 ohm. RTH is equal to 12 ohm and VTH is equal to 40 volt. This is terminal A and this is terminal B. Next we have to calculate the current in RL. RL is equal to 8 ohm. So this is the answer for B. When RL is equal to 8, we have to calculate the current IL. So IL is equal to question mark. Now IL is equal to VTH by RTH plus RL. VTH is 40 divided by RTH is 12. So 12 plus 8. So this will be 2 ampere. I is equal to 2 ampere. IL is equal to 2 ampere. Next we have to find RL for maximum power delivered. Find RL for maximum power deliverable to RL. So for C, when RL is equal to RTH, so it will be 12 ohm. This is the condition for maximum power transfer. Next we have to determine that maximum power. So that maximum power will be P max is equal to VTH square by 4 RTH. Now VTH square is 40 square divided by 4 into RTH. Now RTH is 12 ohm. So 40 square divided by 4 into 12. So this will be 33.3 watt. This is the value of P max. 33.3 watt.